Let's go. 4th of July. Ooh. Got it. You got another one, Aiden?
Yeah.
Go get him.
Now let's try 2 at a time, okay?
Nah, we all gotta do one. Come on.
Okay.
Let me see that one.
Let me try. I want to put it on this time.
Alright. Oh, there we go. Ooh-wee. Go get another one, boy. Hey, look. It fell right down next to me.
Let me see.
It's right there. Let me see that one. Here goes another one. This one's Aiden's. He said this one's his. Let's see what you got, boy. Oh, dang. That one blew up right here.
That was mine. Mine was
Man, go get another one.
cold. Okay, mine was colder, right?
Yep. He's hype. Another one.
That was mine, right?
Yep.
Let's see what I got this time.
Hey, that one's pretty.
That one was red, right?
That was the last one of that one? Yep, he said.
Oh, that.
Yep. Big Thunder. Let's see how it is. Is he turning this way?
No.
Is he? No? Alright. Oh.
Cut that on video.
Boom, nice. Go get another one, boy. 4th of July, baby. 2017. Dude, don't play with it like that. Come on, man. Alright, let's see if I can get this one up there in one hand. Yep. Here goes another one, y'all. Big Thunder.
Here it comes, right?
Oh my God. Go, go, go. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh yeah. Nice. That was a good one, Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I hold the phone?
Here goes another one.
I want to hold the
Run,
phone.
run, run.
Run. What is it this time, then?
Hey, that one was pretty.
Green and red, right?
Yep. Yes, sir. Look at him doing front flips.
Here it comes now, baby.
Y'all heard him. Y'all heard him. Oh my God, that one blew up right here. Go get the last one. Is there another one?
Yeah. This is last one.
Last one?
Yeah.
This is the last one, y'all.
Right there by the tree.
On ours?
Let me see it.
Ours fell on a tree then.
Oh man. It's his fault. It can't even focus in on you. There we go.
Let me see.
It's a video, folks.
Oh, that means on YouTube?
Yup.
I am on it.
Yup. Run, run, run. Nice.
The same one.
That was pretty.
That's it.
Alright, y'all. Hopefully y'all liked the video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna try to get some more content out there. If it's not fishing, it's gonna be vlogging, just doing some regular stuff.
And click the bell.
Click the bell.
And put thumbs up.
Yep, y'all heard him.
And subscribe.
Subscribe, yep. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.